Picture this. You're lying there, right? And you feel a tightening and your whole body goes, oh, wait a minute. Is this it? Is this labor or is it just another false alarm? By the end of this video, you will know how to tell the difference for sure without a single panicked Google search. I promise. All right. Now, real quick, before we get into it, I'm Stephanie, a doula and lactation consultant, and telling real labor from false labor is one of the very first things that I teach my moms, because getting this right is what's going to keep you from showing up to the hospital too early or waiting too long. Now, with that said, let's talk about false labor. These are what we call Braxton Hicks, and here's how they behave. They're irregular. They don't get closer together. They're usually actually more annoying than painful. And here's the giveaway. They stop. Yeah, they stop. Whenever you change positions or drink a big glass of water or just simply lie down, they tend to ease off. We like to say false labor backs down when you do. Now, real labor, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. In fact, here are the 3 things that we say are identifiers to know when real labor is getting started. Longer, slower to fade, and lower. Let me say that again. Longer, slower to fade, and lower. Now, let me explain what I mean. Contractions start getting longer. Instead of being quick and easy to breathe through, you notice them lasting longer. They keep coming no matter what you do. That's the second one. They're slower to fade because they just keep coming no matter what you do. And you often feel them wrap around from the back to your lower belly. In fact, real labor doesn't care that you drunk water, mama. It just keeps building. So here's your one test. I want you to time them. If they're getting longer, stronger, and closer together over, we like to say about an hour, then your body is telling you that this is the real thing. If they're all over the place and fading in and out, then that's likely just a rehearsal, not the main event. So in that case, I want you to just rest, hydrate, and save your energy. Now that we know it's real labor, right? Because that's step 1, just establishing, is it real or not? So now that we know how to determine that, here's the thing that I see all the time with first-time moms, and this is where they tend to freeze. They know that it's happening, right? But they don't necessarily know what to do next. When to actually leave, what to grab, how to breathe through that part before the hospital, what to say so that your birth team actually listens to you. That's a totally different skill, and it's the part that nobody really teaches you. That's exactly why I built Bump to Bundle Blueprint. It walks you step by step through the entire thing, from I think this is it, all the way to your sweet baby being in your arms. So when that moment actually comes, you're not guessing. You're just doing the thing that you've already practiced. So if you want to walk in actually ready, the link is in the description and I'll personally walk you through it inside. And if you're not there yet, that's totally fine too. Just grab my due date diaries. It's in the description as well, and I can keep prepping you every week. Either way, I've got you. Okay, so you know it's real labor. The very next question is, well, when do I have to go? Like, what's the exact moment to grab the bag and head to the hospital? I break down the real rule. It's called the 511, and it's in the next video right here. I want you to go watch it now so that you're not second guessing at 2 a.m. I'll see you there. Happy birthday, mama.